Hey, so you're here because you want to know how to build one of these for cheap, right? The cost of wood has went up tremendously in the past few months, unfortunately. However, I'll tell you, I built this bed for $40-ish, 45, something like that. So what I did was I went and bought 3 8-foot boards that were 6 inches deep. I got 3 of those and I cut one in half. Lowe's did that for 25 cents. I think your first 2 cuts are free. And then I bought 2x4 board cut in 4 6-inch pieces. Those are my corner pieces. And I bought some 3-inch screws. I first screwed the 2x4 pieces and then put on the corner piece and screwed that in. Super simple build. And on the bottom, I just stapled chicken wire underneath so that I would have a way to keep the pests, the little critters out. You don't need a 8x4 feet bed like this. You can do a 4x4 and it'll be half the cost. If you have the money, go and build the bed. You'll be able to grow in this thing at least twice this year. If not, you know, you can look on your local Facebook marketplace. You can post Facebook ads in the groups. Try to find free wood, as long as it's untreated. Or maybe you can find pallets and use the wood on the pallets to create a garden bed. I didn't include the cost of the soil because that will matter as well. So if you want to know how to fill a raised bed for cheap, click here. Have fun and grow food.